at TiECON East 2019 in Boston. Our guest is Sanjay Jain. He is the chair of TiECON East, and we are going to talk to him about how excited he is about TiECON today. Good turnout.
Very good turnout. We have like about 700 registration, and I'm pretty sure we are more than 600 people are showing up.
Excellent.
Yeah.
And also, you know, the lineup of speakers you have this year, the keynote speakers, this is absolutely fabulous lineup. So how did you manage to pull all these things together?
So first of all, I started like, very early, about 6 months back. And it is all because of the volunteer team. And this time what we did slightly differently is that all of our volunteers were very, very high profile persons themselves. They themselves
It is obvious from the way the speakers you have.
Yeah.
Sure.
They themselves were keynote worthy volunteers.
Sure.
Okay. So I approached them. I said, look, don't worry about the legwork. Just worry about getting the right speakers for your own panel. So each panel was, there was a lead for that panel, and that was the volunteer I'm talking about. And they had good connections. They were able to produce an excellent panel. They got the industry expert. And we also have like some growing startup companies, so that they also get visibility among the other big companies too.
Sure. And you have about almost 40 speakers, right? Roughly?
Yes, more than 40.
More than 40, right?
Yes,
okay.
yes.
And so what do you think of the response today?
Marvelous. I like, this is, I think I'm fortunate to be part of this organization, and so many people have complimented already that this is one of the best ever conference held in Boston, with so many speakers coming in under one roof on a single day. So very good.
Good. So just tell us a little bit about yourself. How you got involved with TiE, how long you have been active with TiE? And
so I do not know exact year, but I have been involved with TiE for quite some time. And definitely, I came to one of the TiECON event like this.
Sure.
And
how many years ago?
That probably would have been like easily like 12, 13 years ago.
Sure.
Okay. And I got inspired. I was like really fascinated by the speakers and what the TiE community is doing. And I always wondered, like, I wish I can start my entrepreneur journey. And that was something, this TiE event actually was the seed in my mind, when I saw so many entrepreneurs having such success stories, that I wanted to do my own. And in 2008, that is where I took the big step.
Biggest step.
Quit the 9-to-5 job. I said, if others can do it, I'm sure I can do it. And in 2008, quit the 9-to-5 job and started my own entrepreneurial journey. I started with a company called Copian. We provided secure data management on Android and iOS devices for all your documents. So that was, and that got acquired in 2012.
Well, in the morning, one of the keynote speakers, Sam Singh, he was all talking about cybersecurity, how important it is, which is touching.
Oh, that was my field. The security is like cybersecurity. This is my field.
Okay. So now, after selling that company, what else you have? Starting something else, or?
Yeah, I am now on to my second company, and this is mostly about IT outsourcing. I provide a lot of projects for my US clients to be done in India. My outsource development center is in Jaipur, India.
Okay. So the TiE has played a very important role in your entrepreneurial journey, as and now you are heading this TiECON this year. What do you think that why TiE has become such an important institution in the entrepreneurial community, not only among the Indian Americans, because if you look at the audience here, there are so many non-Indian people as well.
So I think the way I would say TiE is different than other organizations. These kind of events are produced by many other organizations in the New England area and elsewhere. But TiE is one organization which is by the entrepreneurs and for the entrepreneurs. And everybody works on a volunteer basis. They are putting their effort, sweat into creating something, and they want to give back to the community. The whole idea about the membership is based on, do you want to give back to the community? Okay, and if you are really passionate about it, you join this organization. And that was my passion. I became successful entrepreneur, and And then I wanted to give back to the community. I started doing a lot of volunteer hours. I mentored so many companies, so many young startup companies also, and provide my best guidance, whatever I can do to them.
Excellent. Sanjay, thank you very much, and again, congratulations on a successful TiECON today.
No, thank you very much, and I really want to thank all my sponsors who really trusted on us, and all the volunteers who created such a great content. Thanks again.
Excellent. Nilanjana, congratulations for a wonderful TiECON today.
Thank you. Thank you.
Amazing number of speakers, great keynote speakers,
Yes.
and almost 600-700 people
Yep,
to attend this.
700 people, probably the largest TiECON East ever. We were oversubscribed. It's been a wonderful conference.
Excellent. So now, after all these things are over, what is your takeaway from this TiECON?
You know, I think we showcased the best of TiE Boston. I think we showed the depth of conversation and the breadth of conversation that we are capable of as an organization. And as I said to you before, it's all because of the quality of our members. This is a member-driven organization, and this whole conference was pulled together by our members. So huge variety, and at the same time very deep.
And also very timely topics, like the digital health,
right.
Artificial intelligence.
Cutting edge
Cutting
topics,
edge,
yes.
and the speakers were absolutely phenomenal.
Yeah, and absolutely the speakers were the best in their fields. These are the leading, thought leaders in their in their fields. Be it Jim Breyer from Breyer Capital, one of the most successful investors of his time, all the way to Hari Balakrishnan, Professor Balakrishnan, leading Cambridge Mobile Telematics and AI.
Excellent. Now, now I have to ask you this: 3 takeaway from this conference in exact, like you attended some of the sessions. I saw you there. And what are a couple of things which is stuck in your head from the speakers?
I think obviously AI is a huge topic of interest. Those panels were actually stacked full. And I think the range of conversations were all the way from very technical topics like deep learning all the way to how AI is going to change our societies. So I think the topicality of AI is one big takeaway. That was a huge hit.
Sure, yes.
Second, I think we saw a lot of new faces at TiECON East, which is extremely good and important for TiE. I would say more than half of the attendees came to this conference, and this was their very first contact with TiE.
And also in terms of demographics, there's so many non-Indian and non-South Asian attendees today in the conference.
That's right.
Yes.
Extremely diverse crowd attendees, and that's wonderful. A lot of women. We had 2 fantastic women keynote speakers.
They were absolutely fantastic. Actually, one sentence from Sam King is stuck in my head. It keeps ringing, that I don't think myself as the female CEO, I think myself as a CEO.
That's right.
What a powerful message to really send there.
It's a very important, subtly important message.
Yes. Now, what is the next for TiE?
Well, it's going to be bigger and better. So if you're not part of TiE, this is the time to become a member and join us and help us in that journey to tackle bigger challenges that face us beyond technology. These are societal problems that we can take on, and we can take these on because we are such a powerful organization, and our capabilities and our ambitions as an organization are boundless. And my message to all of you is you need to be part of this journey with us.
Now, TiECON is over for 2019. And the next big project is coming, the 10th anniversary of TiE.
That's right.
And that is happening in Boston.
That's happening in Boston.
So just tell us a little bit about that.
Yes. So TiE Boston created a very successful program called TiE, TiE Young Entrepreneurs, about 10 years ago. This is a 6-month program that we run to train high school students to think entrepreneurially, and we do that by making them work on an actual live startup project over a 6-month period in teams. This is an extremely successful program. We run it for 10 years. This year is the 10th anniversary of this program, and this program has now gone global. It is taught in over 60 chapters worldwide. All the finalists from each of those chapters will be coming here on June 21st. It's a huge event. We'll talk more about it. And I do want to mention that TiE Boston has expanded the TiE program this year thanks to a foundation that we launched earlier in the year. We can now take 90 students. Enrollment is now open. If you have a high school aged child who's got entrepreneurial dreams, then you must apply to this program, and please visit us at boston.tie.org and you can learn more about this TiE program. Enrollment is open. The first class starts in fall 2019. Thank you.
Nilanjana, thank you very much
Thank
for
you
your
very
time.
much.
Excellent.